Mathaini manini tu thutha wa MCA wa Silale kaunti ya Baringo Nelson Lotera kurio ekinye wabici-ini cia DCI mwena wa Nakuru. Umuthi Lotera hamwe na wakiri wake Gordon Ogora mauma wabici-ini ici kwandikithia ndumiriri igimainie na ngaiha iria irathie na mbere mwena wa Kapendo kaunti-ini ya Baringo. Kuringana na wakiri Ogora, Lotera ndaramukirite ihoya ria thirikari ria kweneana wabici-ini cia DCI akiuga ni riboti mamukirite nenda-ini cia kiriu. Akiongerera kuga riu Lotera ni oritio gugacoka wabici-ini ici tariki 28 mweri-ini uyu.
Basically they wanted to know whether he has got any information on what had happened, or basically what is happening about the insecurity in Chati area. He's given his bit of information and recorded a general statement.
Muthi wa ira mutafariri wa mihango ya thirikari nene gitaro-ini kia Rift Valley George Natembea ni arahithuririe ati kuri na ateti makoretwo magicugira ngui na makiria kugurira ekina ya matharaita. Riboti iria wakiri Ogora augite matimia mukirite kuma kuri ruhonge rwa DCI.
They were looking for him as a leader, as one of the MCAs in that particular area. And mostly when investigating matters of such magnitude, the first people or the first resort, they will always have to the leaders, and that's why he was being called as one of the MCAs of the area.
Wakiri wa Lotera ni ateteire Lotera hamwe na mubunge wa Tiati William Kamket iguru rigie ngahiha ici, akiuga marethano nao kumana na ritana riao ria njira ngurani cia gutha kihonia kia ngahiha mwena wa Tiati.
One of the reasons I would explain to you why my client and the area MP are being mentioned every now and again, because they are the vocal voices for the rights of the members of their constituency and the members of their ward.
Mwena-ini wake Lotera ni eranĩire kunyitanĩra na thirikari harĩ kuhukia ngahiha cia mwena wa Kapendo na oho kuregana na riboti cia gukorwo agithaya ekinaĩ na matharaita.
I really get disturbed when there's issues happening of that great concern, and we are all going to work together with the government to ensure that we are going to reach a solution.
Maya magithiaga na mbere nake mubunge wa Garissa Township Adan Duale ni athiete na mbere na guthingata thirikari itikire kunina ngahiha iria cithiete na mbere na kuyumiria mihaka-ini ya kaunti citiganite rugongo rwa bururi.
Ni lazima serikali kwanza ishauriane, ikae na viongozi na watu wafugaji ili tupate amani ya kudumu.
Hamwe na uguo thirikari ni yoritio gwika birigiceni kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ya ici ya mahiu aria nio macungiririe uhaguku wa ugitiri mwena wa Kapendo. Mubunge wa Laikipia North Sara Korere augite ati riu amwe wa aria maratabania njuragano Kapendo moriire kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, na uguo ni kuri na uhotekeku uhaguku wa ugitiri utambe nginyagia kaunti-ini ino ya Laikipia.
Tunaambia serikali in advance, tafadhali, we want protection. We want our people to be assured of their security and the security of their property.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.